Good morning, Shawnee, and welcome to the Renegade Morning Show. Today is October 18th, and it's day 4, and I'm Josh.
And I'm Michael, and it's finally Friday. Today is the premiere of the first episode of Club Spotlight, where every other week, a new club is put under the spotlight for showing us what their club is all about. Today, Reagan, Tori, Nicole, Alexis, Paige, and Nylah are here with a special segment highlighting the Mental Health Matters Club. Mental health awareness is becoming a major focus here at Shawnee, and some of our fellow students are stepping up to lead the way. This new club is all about creating a safe, supportive space for students to focus on their well-being. Let's check out the amazing work they're doing to spread awareness and make a difference.
That sounds awesome.
Mental Health Matters is about raising awareness in teenagers and people at Shawnee High School and beyond.
I would recommend it to anyone in the community who wants to help out with people who are struggling out there.
Mental Health Matters is for anyone who wants to join it, anyone who wants to raise awareness, and anyone who just finds themselves struggling with mental health from time to time.
Not just students, anybody, faculty, adults, just anyone out there who needs help.
A goal I have for Mental Health Matters is raising awareness and crushing the stigma revolving mental health struggles.
One of my big goals is getting this club out to the district and having other schools have this club and get-togethers and what we can do to make the community better. And another thing, we want to do a 5K walk in honor of people who have sadly passed away from suicide and just honor the people out there.
Some of my favorite moments in Mental Health Matters was the first meeting. Just seeing the turnout of the people that I invited to the club and I asked if they wanted to join, just seeing them actually show up and want to get involved in this club was amazing.
Just the fact that we could get it off the ground and the fact that we've been able to help people, it's truly been a blessing, and I'm very thankful for Liv starting this club and allowing me to be vice president.
I'm really glad people are stepping up to bring attention to mental health issues. Breaking the stigma is so important.
Absolutely. It's great to see students getting the support they need.
So, Josh, Halloween's coming up fast. Got any costume ideas yet?
Honestly, I'm still clueless. What about you?
Well, if you're struggling here, like Josh, don't worry. In your next segment, we'll give you some awesome costume inspiration to get you ready for Halloween.
You ready? All right. Hi, what do you want to be for Halloween this year?
I'm going to be Greta the Gremlin.
Me and my best friend Katie are doing a duo's costume of Cupids.
We're being the Joker.
I'm planning to be Superman, if not the Grim Reaper.
I'm gonna be Ratatouille.
Billy and Stu.
Stu from Scream.
The original.
Rio Birds.
Yes. A sugar skull.
I'm being Edward Scissorhands.
All right, what are you being?
Nothing. Cupid.
Slender Man.
I'm gonna be a plague doctor. I was thinking like a pumpkin.
That's
Really big pumpkin suit.
I'm being the witch from the Wizard of Oz with my friends.
I'm being a cop.
I'm being Maleficent.
I'm being Ariel.
I'm being the evil queen.
I'm being Cinderella. I'm being Belle.
I'm being Snow White.
Raspberry Tort from Strawberry Shortcake.
Strawberry Shortcake.
An angel cake from Strawberry Shortcake.
I would probably be Spider-Man.
Beryl from Nightmare Before Christmas.
We're both gonna go as Juggalos. The Insane Clown Posse makeup. Stanford Pines from Gravity Falls.
Either Miles Morales or Frozone.
We're really just doing a
Where's our QB1, bro? So right now, we are going to find our quarterback, Cole Anderson, number 14. He wins all our games, IG. That is not true. It's a team sport. The team wins the games. But Cole had a big role in winning us our last game. Period. So we are going to find him right now. So this is the morning show. This is the morning show. Yeah, we're going to D Hall.
Hi, what are you guys being for Halloween this year?
I'm being the monkey from Curious George. The man in the yellow hat from Curious George.
All right, I think I've got it now.
Oh yeah? What's it gonna be?
I'm thinking alien, or maybe space guy. Something out of this world.
Josh, really?
Yeah, really. Hey, let's move on. We've got so much more happening around here. The STV Studio is a hub of creativity and collaboration. Whether you're into video production, learning the ropes of cameras and microphones, or maybe diving into music and podcasting, this space has everything you need. Today, we're giving you a peek behind the scenes at the heart of our student media team. From editing pep rally footage to forming a Renegade Morning Show band, there's everything here for everyone. If you're passionate about creating, sharing, or performing, come join us.
So welcome to our computer lab. This is Ness here. He's working on a file for his bro. It's a video file from the pep rally that we shot. And over there is our morning show computer that plays back all the videos to the school. If you're interested in learning how to do the video work, you want to learn about cameras and microphones, you can stop by the studio. It's right next to the lunchroom, A111, any day of the week. We're in here every single day in the morning. We do the show every morning. And we're looking for more help, so if you want to come and learn and put your ideas out to our audiences, that'd be awesome. Hi, this is Mr. Pistone. We're trying to form a Renegade Morning Show band. So Josh here is learning how to play the drums. If you want to learn how to play guitar or bass or drums and go out live to the school, we'd love to have you. Come on out. One more workstation. If you're interested in music production, we have a workstation set up with Logic, MIDI keyboards, different instruments that you can play back through a nice mixing rig, so decent studio speakers and microphones. If you're looking to produce maybe music or an album, stuff that we could use on our show, intros, outros, even if you're DJing, MCing, any kind of work like that, podcasting, we'd love to have you. So again, A111, come on down.
Well, that's all for today. Tune in every Monday through Thursday for the Shawnee Wake-Up and every Friday for the Renegade Morning Show. I'm Michael.
And I'm Josh. Have a great day, Renegades.